Hi, my name is Danielle Hamilton. I'm a dietetic intern here at SAM, and I'm from Austin, Texas. I'm here today to show you how to make a dorm-friendly meal made from the ingredients from the food pantry. So what we're making today is ready-made pasta and some peas. We've got ready pasta from Barilla, and super easy. All you need to do is buy it and heat it up. We've got some tomato paste for taste, and we've got some peas. Peas are really high in fiber, and they're a great source of vitamin A, and it's good for immune health and eye health, and high in fiber, good for the gut. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up the pasta. You're just gonna open up the bag and we're gonna throw it in the microwave for 60 seconds. So now that our pasta is warmed up, we're gonna pour it into our bowl. Then we're gonna heat up the peas for about 60 seconds in the microwave. Now that the peas are warmed up, we're gonna pour them in with the pasta. And then we're just gonna pour the tomato sauce in as is, just so it can kind of cool down the dish. Then you'll get a fork, mix it up, and enjoy. Really simple, really easy recipe that you can find with ingredients in the food pantry.